Buddhāvataṃsaka Flower Ornament Sutra. Chapter 1. The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. Celestial King Supreme Cloud Sound found the door of liberation, knowing the process of becoming and decay of all past ages. Celestial King Supreme Light found the door of liberation of knowledge to enlighten all beings. Celestial King Exquisite Topknot found the door of liberation, shedding light, swiftly filling space in all directions. Celestial King Joyful Wisdom found the door of liberation of the power of energy, whose deeds cannot be ruined by anyone. Celestial King Flower Light Topknot found the door of liberation, knowing the rewards of actions of all sentient beings. Celestial King, seeing in all directions, found the door of liberation, showing inconceivable differences in form and kind of sentient beings. At that time, the Celestial King Skillful Transformation, imbued with the majestic power of the Buddha, surveyed the whole host of celestial beings of the heavens of enjoyment of emanations, and said in verse, "The essence of the doings of the world is inconceivable. The Buddha teaches all about it for the confused, skillfully explaining the true principle of causality and the different doings of all sentient beings." Looking at the Buddha in various ways, there's nothing there. Seeking him in all directions, he can't be found. The manifestations of the reality body have no true actuality. This truth is seen by silent sound. The Buddha cultivated many practices over oceans of eons in order to extinguish the ignorance and confusion of the world. Therefore, his purity is the most radiant light. This is the realization of the mind of light power. Of the sublime sounds and voices in the world, none can compare to the Buddha's sound. The Buddha pervades the 10 directions with a single sound. Entering this liberation is the master of adornment. All the All the power of wealth in the world is not equal to a single characteristic of the Buddha. The virtues of the Buddha are like space. This is perceived by mindful light. The infinite ages of past, present, and future, the various aspects of their becoming and decay, the Buddha can show in a single pore.